Live, dude. That's right. Live on the channel. Back at it again. Back at the Brittany. With the crew. Well, we were relaxing. This guy decided to do a burnout in front of us over a hump. And broke some goodies underneath.
How far you got to go? Round the corner. Back to the bar. Round the corner. Fucking corporate tonight. Thank you, guys.
Be safe.
Yeah. Absolutely.
One car down. How big was it? It was like that big? How was your drive?
Yo, is that a heavy? Is that a heavy?
It's quick.
Yeah. Is that a heavy?
It was quick.
Hey, we figured let the car show do its thing, and then we'll come out for a cruise.
Yes, sir. I like it.
Sounds good. Got a heavy?
Got a heavy?
I got a heavy.
It's Mopar Tom.
Who's Mopar Tom?
He's just, I don't know.
I need to know Mopar Tom.
We seen him like 6 years ago.
Yeah?
And he's just a loud guy. Mopar Tom.
Hey bro, pussy is absolutely fire.
Yeah,
Don't. I've never said that.
What do you mean you never said that?
Never said that.
Doug, I had you on videotape. Should I break out the videotape? Rewind the footage.
You have videotape?
Yes.
Video evidence, sir.
It's a lie.
Did you present this to the court, please? Exhibit A. Kenny's video
Every
evidence.
time I've asked you, why are you with the dudes? You go, bro, pussy is absolute fire.
Somehow crazy.
I mean, flames is flames. You can't. Flames are flames. You can't put them out.
Straight from your penis.
Well, that's a whole thing. They have pills for that.
I'm confused. Do other girls typically let you walk all over them? What is that?
We're gonna go for a cruise, but in the meantime, we want our beers to get cold.
That's a motorcycle kick. I gave it back. You just got back from the room.
Yo, I want all you guys when the Benjamin Franklin comes out and he blinks to buck up. We're getting beer. Can I get you guys to come with me, get some beers? All right, big man, what am I getting? Kevin, what am I getting for you?
Corona Premier.
And a Miller Lite. And
Miller Lite and whatever else.
I need some young, strong men with me. We're all
I'm old and weak, so at least me out.
C8.
I like the color out.
I don't give a shit who you get to drive. $100 I can tune this one and beat both of yours.
I guarantee you won't. And I'll put money.
$100. You better be there.
500.
$100.
500. 500. That's a promo. That's a promo. 500.
Y'all want to do burgers and hot dogs?
Yeah, it's burgers.
You better be there someday.
He won't be there.
I know you won't.
I'm in.
Got this right here. Some of Grandpa's cough medicine right here. That Tennessee whiskey.
So the cars are parked.
No, don't drive this. Don't drive. Fuck you. Got him. Got him. Made a couple hits tonight. Car's doing pretty good.
You getting some love out there?
Getting lots of love actually. First year where it's Camaro. I ain't saying nothing about these old classic cars, but good old Camaro. She's looking pretty tight.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Do anything new to the car?
Yes, I did. Got all brand new suspension on the car. We also have line locks. The car now has UMI weight jacks, fully adjustable. The car is a lot lower than it was, so I'm bottoming out everywhere right now. So we're gonna have to adjust that. Rear line for the drag stance. We also got the line lock button put in there. And we're down here at Wildwood tearing it up for the night and tomorrow night. So tomorrow night, full set.
Bill, I tell you, it's not true. It's not true. What's up, brother?
Yeah, you're on
YouTube, baby.
YouTube tomorrow. Be here tomorrow. We're gonna have a burnout contest, and I guarantee the Camaro will come out on top.
We'll see.
All right, no, I'm gonna get. Well, he's got a Camaro. I got a Camaro. Brian Chevelle, maybe come out on top.
I don't know. Listen, so far I've done the best burnout.
Uh-oh, it says
No.
There's the demon.
This guy.
There's the demon. There's the demon. I can.
You think a Mustang is a fucking demon?
Pay for it. So breaking the Camaro.
Yeah. See a guy like that will lose it and wipe out a bunch of cars. Remember when Jimmy came down with Brian, when you guys just redid the motor and Brian Chevelle? Jimmy and Brian were coming down and Jimmy downshifted and went, yeah, I pulled them over. They went around the corner.
He went to get on a little bit. He got it trimmed and then it stalled. And it shut off. The cop pulled him over there.
Right here.
Yeah.
I never saw Jimmy get mad like that.
Oh, he was
He was ready to fight this guy. Like,
he was trying to get out of the car. I'm grabbing him like that. Don't get out of the fucking car. He's like, I just want to talk to you. Dad, don't get out of the fucking car. Here, open the door. The cop puts his hand on the
shit, you know
door.
what?
Get back in your vehicle.
Yeah.
He's
I
like,
know. Watch this guy. This guy's gonna do something.
Your dad's
That's
up there.
the same guy. He's gonna do something crazy. He's got to go first, so I got to beat him.
No. You go first.
What do you mean,
Yeah, listen, in all honesty, I think his black Challenger, I think that was the best burnout. I think that was better than
Yeah,
the
but that was
Demon.
a power break.
That was
fake.
amazing.
Yeah, but that was fake.
Now, are you saying you're gonna just do like a launch out of a burnout all the way down?
I'll tell you right now. I put Danny Cromwell in the Copo tomorrow. I will lay all the money down you want. Danny will do a burnout because you can just Google Copo doing a burnout.
Yeah.
Danny's gonna go from there. Yo, buddy, give me a wave. Danny's gonna go to that guy right there. See that fat guy with the orange shirt? Now, what do you want to do?
Well, let me talk to my driver and I'll let
Go
you know.
talk to your driver, get back to my driver, and maybe we'll talk.
Are you, if you're going to get in the car, so it doesn't
Listen,
It's my car, though.
yeah, listen. If you're gonna do a burnout,
get
Yeah.
in the motherfucker and drive.
start that way before at the lunch,
I'll do that.
and this way you don't have to.
I'll do
you
that.
You can go a whole block.
That Copo will do. You know what that Copo will do.
Now would you drive?
Danny's driving. I can drive it. I can drive it.
Can you get it in reverse though?
I know. I know. I had a little problem. Wouldn't challenge me. I think you're gonna lose. You know what happened to McGregor lately? He kind of didn't do too good.
Fuck McGregor. He's getting his ass kicked.
All right, thank you. I'm just saying. I'll beat the SUV McGregor.
I was there.
He broke his fucking foot, man. He was gonna
Do you really want that to
Oh,
happen?
this fucking guy, man.
He was
I'm
gonna
just saying.
Dude, I drive my car, dude. I drive my car.
I don't drive my cars.
I mean, maybe from like there to a trailer.
At this point, fucking slang it. $100 in. I'll do a burnout.
Oh, you know what? This is what we should do right now.
At this point.
All right, you do your burnout right now tonight. We'll measure your burnout. Whoa, what are you backing out now?
I'm not gonna get a DUI to fucking do a burnout.
Default. You guys are witnesses. Default. This man default. That's a default. You just defaulted from a challenge. Default. I hate to say it. Oh, Kenny's gonna walk on, all right? I'm just gonna walk on my way.
They're talking. I just think they're trying to see if he was drinking. I think that's what their main thing is right now.
My buddy Jim here said, you know what? There were no cops around for a while. That 7 o'clock shift change, now look, there's cops everywhere.
As soon as like quarter after, they're all over the freaking place again.
So we're like 6:30 or so, there was nobody anywhere.
Yeah.
Also,
They know where the hot spots are, dude.
Yeah, but they were all gone because they shift changed and then they all came right back.
because these, I don't recognize any of these guys that were here earlier.
I'm trying to say I identify your career, but
They know they're dealing with drunk people, but what the fuck?
They play more games around here than anybody. Well, it is. They're all fresh out of the fucking academy, so they got a name for themselves.
Most of them are very young. The older guys kind of let people have a good time and just kind of like
The young
take
ones.
it easy.
Yeah, they want to make mayonnaise.
They think they're all somewhere, but they're not. But they don't know that.
Another ticket. Every year, guys, I get a ticket. Somehow, I'm the only guy that gets caught. I'm back home from the Wildwood Car Show, and it was a absolute blast, as it is every year. I love going to this event. It's one of my favorite things to do. It's like my vacation at the end of the summer. It's the Irish Festival, the Wildwood Car Show. It's a madhouse. It's an absolute blast. I mean, what more could you ask for? Drunk people to spectate, and a bunch of muscle car guys cruise around town and on the shore. I mean, it's great, and it was less stressful. Usually every year I drive my Camaro down and I drive it home. This year I didn't drive it. I had it trailered down, which was so much easier. I didn't have to worry about beating on my car or something breaking. You know, if it broke, it broke. I put it back on the trailer and fixed it at home. You know, whatever. It was great. That didn't happen. I didn't break anything. But I did get that stupid ticket. But hey, it is what it is. We'll go down there and pay it. I want to shout out to Kyle, my buddy Kyle. He took all the footage from this weekend. He was just on point with it. You know, every time there was something going on, he was running back to the room, grabbed the camera. He was up top on the balcony taking footage. You know, he was all about it. You know, more than I should have been. Which, you know, it's my channel. I should have been filming the majority of the stuff. But you know, he did it. And TL, got TL, you know what I mean? Same thing with Camaro. When you're in the Camaro, you see a Camaro, you gotta wait. That's how it is. Kyle did a freaking phenomenal job. What a friend, man, for going out of his way, out of his vacation to, you know, film me doing stuff and my family doing stuff when he didn't have to. You know, I would not have been upset if we didn't do any content. It's rolling around to the end of the season anyway. I just started this channel, so this is all still stuff that I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to do this stuff. We're gonna get better and better as we progress, but right now it's kind of the end of the season. Kind of wrapping things up for car season right now, which kind of sucks because I just got really into it.
Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know